All right, not gonna lie, I'm a little nervous, but the day has come. I made a decision where I am going to cut my hair, my luscious locks. I've been growing this out for the past 4 years. I did give it a little trim about a year ago, but now I want to donate my hair. I know there's a few organizations that accept hair donations, but I wanted to make sure that I give it to some place that will actually do well with it. Some companies, they sell the hair to cancer patients, and I don't want these companies to make a profit off of my hair. I want to actually donate this to someone. So I've heard Wigs for Kids is a good organization where they don't make patients pay for it, and they accept donations and they donate it themselves. So hopefully they will accept my hair. I'm so nervous, can you tell?
Oh, I cut it well.
This hair has been growing all around the world. This little part here is Sri Lanka, right over there is the Philippines, maybe a little Thailand in there, Colombia up here. A nice mix of all the places I've been to, but it's a lot. It's a lot of hair. It's getting a little out of hand, so I need a trim. So here we go. You ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1! And wait a second, before I show you my hair getting cut off, since this video is about making changes to my appearance, first, I want to show you another change that I'm going through, and then we'll get back to my hair. Oh boy, I am excited for what just came in this package. Let me open it real quick and show you what we got. Ooh, baby. All right, check this out. Woo. Impress yourself. So inside here is a special delivery from a company called BYTE. You look good, but you're about to look better. Woo-hoo. Damn right! This is going to help me straighten my teeth. Now, I've mentioned it in another video before. Oh, I'm so excited to open these. But one of my biggest insecurities are these right here. I don't know if you can see, but my teeth are a little funky, a little crooked on top. My 2 front teeth cave in a little bit, and my bottom, as I've been getting older, all of my teeth have just been getting crowded, and I've been wanting to fix this and straighten my teeth for a very long time. And now I am so excited that BYTE is allowing me to do that. And I want to take you along on this journey, my BYTE journey, to show you what it's like to hopefully fix these chompers, straighten them out a little bit. So first step is BYTE sends you an impression kit. Inside here there are 4 teeth molds. So essentially what I'm gonna do is take some molds of my teeth, I'm gonna send it back to them, and they are going to make a digital 3D image of my teeth and send me retainers which I can wear and straighten my teeth. And I'm so excited to be documenting this process and sharing it all with you. I'm letting my insecurities out in the open, but honestly I think a lot of people will be able to relate to this, because although I never had braces, I know there are a lot of people who have had braces, but over time their teeth crowd up again, and my teeth have been crowding a lot, and I recently got my wisdom teeth removed. Oh wow, why did I record this? This is crazy to watch. So here we go. It's time to take an impression. Not gonna lie, I'm a little nervous. I'm kind of nervous about this, but also very excited. Here we go, Dr. Steve, ready to straighten some teeth. In this kit, they send you 4 of these molds because you have to take 2 impressions of the top and 2 impressions of the bottom. Mix the light color and the dark color until they become one solid color. Press until you feel the putty touching your gum line. All right, ready? Here we go. Oh yeah, I'm gonna have to go to the mirror for this. That's my teeth. That's so cool. Oh yeah, look at that. All right, boom. Here are my teeth impressions, the molds of my teeth. That was easy. I'm gonna send this back to BYTE and I will update you as progress is made.
2 weeks later.
Boom, boom. So fast forward a few weeks, I sent my impression kit back to BYTE, and they made a digital 3D image of my teeth. It's really cool. On their website, you get a profile, and on here, I can track the progress of my expected treatment time, which is so awesome. And here in this amazing box that just arrived is everything I need to straighten my teeth. So let's check it out. So in this kit, you get 2 boxes. In the first box are all of the aligners for your teeth. So here we go. Step 1, I'm about to open this, put this in my mouth, but first I need to brush my teeth, so let's do that. All right, teeth are clean, and I think I'm ready to try my first set of aligners. Woo! They're all here. So you take one set of aligners and you use it for a week. Oh boy, here they are. Look at this. All my tooths are over here. So you change your retainers once a week. So here are the rest of my weeks of retainers in here. This is something very special. It's called BYTE, and this is what sets BYTE apart from a lot of other teeth aligning companies. Here it is. This is the BYTE. You put it in your mouth like this. It uses high frequency vibrations to cut your treatment time in half. So this right here is the special little tool that makes BYTE unique and allows your treatment time to be so much shorter than other aligners. Because I was looking into which aligner company I wanted to go to. There's some other very popular ones out there, but BYTE had one of the cheapest options and also the quickest. So why would I not go with this? My total treatment time is only 17 weeks, and I'm instructed to use this for only once a day for about 5 minutes. And apparently this is going to significantly help speed up the process. So I'm excited to use this and see how it goes. So now that we got all of that out of the way and we know what we have, it's time to test these out. Putting them in for the first time. Here we go. Oh yeah. Oh wow. Ooh. Yeah, they fit perfect. Wow. I definitely feel them on here, but it fits perfectly. Oh, that's so cool. Okay, now the bottom teeth. I was expecting to have a little bit more of a lisp. Maybe I will when I put the bottom teeth in. Oh, yeah. I did it. They're in. Boom. Oh, that's it. I definitely feel it. It feels, I can feel that they're there, but can you see them? Oh, this is so cool. I'm so happy. I've been waiting for this moment for so long. I'm so happy. Oh. This is good. This is good. You can't even tell. You can't even tell. It just looks like in a photo right here. It just looks like I have shiny teeth.
Shiny teeth and me.
Oh, I'm so excited. Oh man, this makes me so happy. If you want more information, if you are interested, you can check out the link in the description or go to the BYTE website and make sure to use the code SteveYalo. If you do that, you will get a huge discount off your impression kit, and that typically costs $100. But with my code SteveYalo, you can get that for only 25 bucks. So that'll start your treatment, and they also do work very well with a lot of insurances. So if you do have dental insurance, look into that, because you could potentially get all this covered or at least a big part of it covered under insurance. So what are you waiting for? Go check it out. I'll leave a link in the description if you're interested. And that's it for now. And look, I've been talking with my aligners in this whole time, and I don't even think I sound much different. And it feels great. I'm so excited. Look at this. See these teeth? They're gonna be different soon. Watch the progress. Here we go. All right. The cape is going on. Things are getting real. Oh boy. Can we have a countdown or something?
Yeah, ready?
All right, give me a 10-second countdown. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh my god! It's happening! It's happening! It's happening! It's happening! I feel it! Oh no!
I'm so happy I went longer.
I feel like my soul is being sucked out of my body.
Oh my god, it's taking so long. Yeah, so much. It's so thick. It's so luscious. Are you sure you don't want to tape it back on? And we're.
Oh my god! Woo! Look at his hair! Wait, what do I look like? Look how crooked this is.
Wait.
Look how crooked that is.
So good.
My little baby hair.
My
My mom's gonna be so happy.
right?
She's been wanting me to cut my hair since I started growing it out. Here we go. The final product in 3, 2, 1. Ah, look at this. My hair is so short. I haven't had hair this short in 4 years. Wow. It feels good. Liberating. Good job, David. He killed it. Thank
Love you
so
guys.
much.
Follow Steve, like, comment, and subscribe.
You know it.
I
And
got
follow
you.
him. Go check him out. He's got a YouTube channel now too. Instagram, David Avgi, David Pretty Boy on Instagram. Check him out. But yeah, now I get to donate all of this hair. And that's the reason I wanted to do this. Obviously I wanted to trim some to get my hair shorter, but I figured, you know, someone could actually make some good for this.
100%.
And they'll donate it to a child with cancer, I believe. So Wigs for Kids, they give it to kids in need. So it's actually going to a good cause. I'm really happy about that. And maybe I'll even be in contact with who gets it. That would be pretty cool. But for now, we're gonna try to catch this cowboy hat on my head. Oh, the hair flip is so short. I don't have any more hair. It's so weird. This is gonna be weird getting used to this.
That's fun.
All right, well, thanks for watching. I know this is a much different video than I normally make, but can't really travel now, so I'm doing what I can in the meantime. So if this is your first time on this channel, please click that subscribe button. Make sure to leave a like, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.